Vintage Fan Collector 1939. Today we have my 1941 Emerson Junior 10-inch oscillating table fan. Catalog number 2650CE. This is just a little update on it because I figured why not. I'm at 95 subscribers. Thank you all for that. We're almost to 100. I'll be at 100 before I know it. So y'all just like, share, comment, and subscribe to Vintage Fan Collector 1939. Anyways, let's get into it. Here is the left side view. Yes, my microphone is on. I always have to check if my microphone is running because if it's not, then I'll have a hard time wanting to post this. But it's fine. I'm pretty sure y'all can hear me. Anyways, here's the left side view of the fan. Here's the right side. Here's the back. Here's the front of the fan again. I oiled this fan up a little bit because you know who commented on one of my videos and said, you might need to add a little bit of oil because the spin down was a little bit short. So that's what I did. I put it on stationary and it runs fantastic. Haha, fantastic. I rewired it with vintage wire and supply company wire. This was my very first vintage fan rewiring job ever. So let's get into it. Let's turn the fan on. Single speed. Very, very quiet. There's almost no motor hum to it. Now, that doesn't mean it's DC. This is an alternating current fan. Anyways, what are the amps? If y'all can't see it, the amperage on this thing says 0.627 amps. Let me check the watts. Okay, we good. 43.6 watts. Not bad for a little 10-inch fan like this. I have got to be careful here. 114.1 the volts. Okay. Because I'm literally about to bump into this. I'm sitting by a white shelf. I have to be careful because this thing is not attached to the wall. It needs to be. But anyway, let's do a spin down. And yes, I did put orange wire. This thing seems to be drinking some oil. Because start it up again. Almost no motor hum. Y'all can't hear it, and I can't either. 0.65 amps. 0.65 amps. There we go. Because look at that spin down again. I might have to keep oil in this because look at that spin down. Well, maybe not. Anyway, like, share, comment, and subscribe to Vintage Fan Collector 1939.